unbox these wireless mics, and let me tell y'all, I'm already obsessed. 2 mics, chargers, and an adapter all in one box. Perfect for filming, vlogging, and pretending you're hosting your own show. Or maybe you even need a podcast, who knows. But it was super quick and easy to set up and activate. It was super easy to pair it as well. And now here I am just pairing it together and checking to see if the mic is actually on and paired by looking at the vocals going up and down. I don't know what to call it, but you'll see it on your screen. Here's me before the mic, and then here's me after the mic. Live, can y'all hear me? Y'all can hear me very nice and clear. That's the kind of audio that you want for your content. If I'm like doing mini vlogs on TikTok or on my YouTube shorts, this definitely comes in handy. So I'm going to be leaving this in my Amazon storefront so that way you guys can get it. Ciao!
This is the box that it came in. Details. So, I believe that, see how easy it is to open? I believe that this is, you're gonna see the difference, but, hear the difference. My kids got the TV on in the background, my voice is a little raspy, you're gonna hear the difference. This is the piece that goes into your phone. This is for the iPhone. They have options for, I believe, other phones. And this is the mic. It has a clip, on and off button. This also charges. And I'm gonna unclip my phone from the charger and put in this little sleek, insert it inside. And it connects. See? Boom. But look at the difference, you guys. This is crazy. Like, you cannot really hear what's going on in the background. Not too much. You can hear my voice more. I guess it has a voice cancellation feature, but I'm holding it in the ear.